Hello, Epi Tylers. So today we're going to talk about practice tiling. And in case you don't have an upload scan image ready to upload, then you can click here, open samples, and you have our material samples library that we've made specially for you. And there's the tiling practice. So what I want to make today is this Flannel Tartan. Okay, ready? First thing about tiling fabrics is always the alignment tool, most important one. So I'm gonna click on one edge of this green stripe. I'll go to this, like the other side. There we go. Okay, and it's straighten up on the right view. And then I'm gonna click auto detect so I can move to the horizontal line. There we go. I want to go for this blue line here, and I'll left click here, and let me turn on the grid, and that looks okay. It's a bit tough to see here because of the extra pixel that we need to remove from the other movement, from the vertical line movement, but we're gonna crop that in just a second. Apply. Okay, now if I'll turn on the grid again, I see that I have this extra pixel that I want to remove, so I'll make sure that I have the right crop, the right alignment. There we go, one here, a little bit here, a little bit there. It just to make sure that I've got the right alignment for the fabric before I move on. And there we go, now it's not super straight, but I wonder what's the situation in the middle, because I am gonna crop the borders anyway a little bit more. There we go. And it is a bit hard to see the color of the grid here, so the yellow doesn't make it much easier, but that can work. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I want to mark the borders so I'll be able to use tiling assist. So I'm gonna do crop tool. I'm not gonna apply the crop, I just want to make sure I've got the right borders. So let's see, if I'll go start of the blue here and start of the blue here, same goes here, end of the green, end of the green. And no, that's not a good alignment. So if I'll try to do that, most likely the AI will think that that's what I wanted, and then you know my all seamless pattern might be wavy in that direction, which I don't want. Okay, I'll discard and I'll do alignment again first. That can totally happen, that you go in and out from certain tools until you've got the perfect alignment or the perfect crop, and only then you want to continue to do the tiling assist. Otherwise you might get wavy results. So that looks straight here, only this one will need to be cropped out, and yeah, this one as well. Okay, so I'll tell you what I'll do. I see that I need to move those lines a little bit, but this one is perfect. So next trick is, yes, apply the alignment, but I want to use the crop and I want to use it with the skew. You have the shortcuts here. You don't need to remember them by heart. And if you want to use the skew, you press Control. So again, I'll turn on the grid. I want to move this yellow line without moving this yellow line. So I'll hit Control. Nope. There we go. Okay. Yep, that works. Now it's on the right spot. Moved a little bit. I got it this tiny. Of course, I have this tiny gap, so I'll crop a little bit extra here. And yeah, completely ruined here. So I'll do the crop. I'll use this crop line again. This edge border. No, other way around. Okay, I'm moving the crop tool with the control to get the skew till they're matching. And I'll need to get this extra bit out. So now all my lines match, all my stripes match, and same goes on the upper side. Yep, all match. There we go. I'll hit apply. And now that they all match, I can start thinking about my repeat for tiling assistant. Now there's the right way, I guess. You can just put your guides wherever you think that the repeat gonna be, and that's where you're gonna draw the tiling assist. Now for me, I feel like it's a bit easier to choose my repeat with the crop tool. So it's completely up to you. You can just put the guides. If you're brave enough, you don't even need to put the guides. Just use the tiling assist. I'll use the crop without cropping. I'll check if that's the right repeat. So I'm reducing the size of my crop boundaries, and I'm checking on the right side if that looks like the right repeat. So here I have this wide gap of the red, and then this. Yep, that looks about right. Let's see, black to black. That's blue actually. I think I'm missing a spot here. And yeah, that's the boundaries here. So for me, this type of work is easier when I get to see with the crop tool all the boundaries, but it's completely up to you if you want to take the long way. Anyway, so now that I have the crop and the guides on the right place, I'll leave this card. I'll stay with the guides. And I'm going for tiling assist. And on tiling assist, I'll left click with my mouse button, and I'll draw this area. There we go. And I can zoom in to see that I've got the right place. And if the AI works before you're ready, don't worry, it's an AI. You can always make it work again. So, and yep, that's it. I just chose the right boundaries, and that's my grid. And you can see that it completely blended all the stripes for me. It looks like a seamless edge for the repeat. So all I need to do right now is hit apply and create a material. That's it. Now, once you create your material, we'll see in a second, uploading. Digitalize more if you want to create another one. See your texture. We'll choose see my texture right now. On the processing tab, that's where my fabric gonna be. It's gonna take it like extra few seconds to create the textures map for you. Once you hit ready, and once your fabric gonna get to the ready tab, I've already have like my previous sample here. You'll be able to see your fabric ready to use. Just for you, you can either take a screenshot, use our different environment maps, different layout, either this shirt here, or you can download a zip file for the 2D texture, or U3MA file if you're going for another 3D software for fashion, and you're ready to go. Good luck!